By pressing the P button for programming, we go into what's called professional mode. In this mode you can change your filter, clean the machine and clean the milk line. By scrolling through to expert mode, in this mode you can change all the settings. Your coffee strength in up to 5 levels, your milk volume, your milk foam volume, the amount of mils that is extracted through your coffee, and the temperature of your coffee. Getting all these precise measurements right can take years of practice on a manual machine. With Jura's coffee machines, you have the art of a barista automatically doing the work for you.